So I'm going to be interviewing Emma Stone and Yorgos Lanthimos in about an hour, and I just want to show you guys the fit real quick. Begonia, going hard, got the kicks to go with it. This is my first time ever meeting them in person, so I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, so we're here at the Grove. We're about to meet Yorgos and Emma really soon. I got my questions that I wrote ready to go, and the movie's almost over, so we're about to head inside. I hear they're getting mic'd up right now, so it's going to be like 30 seconds. Hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you in person as well. It's very nice to talk to you guys.
Look at your sweatshirt.
I had to do it. I hosted Focus Fest last weekend, so I had to grab one of these. The actress that put this whole thing together, Emma Stone. Yorgos Lanthimos, the director of Begonia. I'm a professional overthinker. It's literally in my bio. So that's why, I told you I was going to hit you with the hard questions.
It's incredible. A professional should be thinking more.